yeah, marriage is a big change in anyone's life.
No, she's a lovely, lovely human being.
He's just a very, very wonderful person, and I think it's nice to have a person like that in my life.
Because she loves to talk, and I love to hear her talk. But it's been beautiful, yeah. It really has been beautiful, and it really is a blessing to find that companion for yourself where you truly feel like you've come back home, you know. And it genuinely is. I don't know how you can describe in like words, but it's a very सुकून वाला feeling है वो कि यार तुम्हें लगता है कि हाँ घर है ये. It's nice. It's your grounding. It's your like, you know, it's your axis कि अच्छा तुम्हें पता है this is your ground zero. So बहुत अच्छी feeling है, and she's a lovely human being. You know, तो मुझे बड़ा I don't know how to say it, but it's fun living life with her, exploring life with her. I was not much of a traveler, but जब से वो life में आई है तो travel भी बहुत करो. मैंने कहा यार ये तो life में कभी जिया ही नहीं था, so वो भी अच्छा है. तो there's a lot of new things, you know, you get to share about each other. So it's beautiful.
I think, yeah, marriage is a big change in anyone's life. You're now sharing your life with a person, and you're living together, and it's been really beautiful. It's been really wonderful. Of course, he's been, touch wood, he's been away a lot on shoots, as have I. So I think that's always the thing with any two actors who are in this profession where there's constant travel. You do get less time together. But he is beyond saying too much and keeping it about the film. He's just a very wonderful person, and I think it's nice to have a person like that in my life.
Yeah.
How did Katrina react to the trailer?
She liked it.
Yeah.
She liked it. She found me cute. She prefers me with a beard though. But but she found me cute. She found the trailer very endearing, and she's looking forward to watch the film.
Yeah, you know, when I got married, me and my wife come from same kind of background, but still it takes a while for the person to get into the family and adjust with the family and understand the family. When you got married, it's again a very typical Indian setup. Did she like find it difficult to get adjusted in the family, and did you handhold her?
No, I don't think so. I don't think it was like difficult or like, you know, challenging. It was quite seamless, and she's been like, you know, she's been meeting my family before even we got married. So it was there was no like a shift, like a really radical shift, but it happened quite seamlessly in that sense.
Please do a film together, no?
Please cast us, please direct, please produce a film, and we'll do it together.
No, I'm really asking. Haven't you been offered a film?
No, of
together?
course, but see, the thing is, us being together and us being a couple shouldn't be the reason that we are cast in the film together. You know, we should organically be perfect for those roles written in the film. It should be organic, and that's how it benefits the film also. And it shouldn't just be done because there's a curiosity around it. So hopefully soon. We are also excited for that to happen. But let's see.
Endearing is, I think, his joy for dancing and singing, like the honest,
Punjabi
pure
music.
joy, and for just music in general. The joy he has when he dances is, I think, just one of the most beautiful things to see. And the joy he has for singing. And he's a good singer. And many times when I can't sleep, I always ask him, can you please sing me a song?
That's so sweet. And what about annoying habit?
Annoying habit, sometimes he can be stubborn.
Major changes ये है कि शेव करने से पहले मुझे 10 बार सोचना पड़ता है because she hates it. Major changes ये है कि पहले I was a good listener, but now I've become like an unbeatable listener. मुझे कोई बीट ही नहीं कर सकता. मैं इतनी बातें सुन सकता हूँ because she loves to talk and I love to hear her talk. So but I don't know. I feel like jokes apart, यार बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. छोटी बातें होती हैं, but like, you know, because when you have a companion, when you have your life partner with you, you realize that it's no more just you can't see life just कि मुझे क्या चाहिए या मेरे हिसाब से क्या होना चाहिए. It's हमेशा हमें क्या चाहिए और हमारे हिसाब से क्या होना चाहिए. तो वो एक this thought has seeped in over these 2 years कि हाँ यार, it's that कि it's just कि मेरा schedule क्या है और you know, it's वो individuality से ज़्यादा, of course your individuality is there, but उससे ज़्यादा when you're thinking about something, when you're reacting to something, it's always about what's better for us rather than what's better for me.
The sweetest thing was that, of course, Vicky was also
he fasted.
Yes,
as
he
well.
fasted.
Okay.
Yeah. That he wouldn't. I was sure
Let
he
you do
wouldn't
it
know.
alone.
And he didn't even. It's not like I asked him to at all. I
He
didn't
did
say
it
anything.
himself.
He did it himself, so that was sweet. And of course, his parents were also over, so it was our first, because it was our first year of marriage.
Yes.
There's a puja which happens and all that. So that was lovely.
Pink Villa. Look no further.